Read and trace. Ox. Box. Pox. Fox. Locks.
"22. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Trace and write the number name.
Read and trace. Bow. Low. So. Mow. Cow. No. Toe. Row. Grow. Plants grow from seeds with the help of sunlight, air, soil, and water.
Some of the basic needs of a plant are soil, water, sunlight, air, and space.
Soil, water, sunlight, air, and space.
Yes, you got it. Soil. Soil provides a place for the plant to grow. A nutrient-rich soil is an important need of a plant. Soil anchors a plant's roots. It holds water in place for their roots. Plant roots reach into soil pores and collect nutrients that are held in the soil.
Okay.
Water. Water is an important requirement for a plant. Without enough water, most of the plants will droop and eventually die.
Oh no, so sad. Don't worry, I can give you some water. Oh look, the plant is now happy.
Plants uptake nutrients through water. Plants take water from the soil through their roots. The roots reach towards the water sources and pull the water towards the stem and leaves. Did you know that plants also need sunlight and air to grow? Plants need sunlight to make food. And just like all living things, plants also need air to breathe. Green plants make their own food through a process called photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis? What is that?
Plants, with the help of energy from the sunlight, water, and air, make their own food. Food is used by plants to grow, form flowers, and develop fruits.
Okay. Look, new stems, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Awesome!
Talking about plant growth reminds us about the next need of a plant: space. All living things need space. Its branches and leaves need space so that they can access light. The roots need space so that they can spread out and absorb water and nutrients. When plants grow too close together, they will not get enough sunlight or nutrients, nor
Number the images to make the correct sequence.
One little pumpkin smiling, smiling. One little pumpkin smiling, smiling. One little pumpkin smiling, smiling. One little pumpkin is happy. Two little pumpkins pouting, pouting. Two little pumpkins pouting, pouting. Two little pumpkins pouting, pouting. Two little pumpkins are grumpy. Three little pumpkins yawning, yawning. Three little pumpkins yawning, yawning. Three little pumpkins yawning, yawning. Three little pumpkins are sleepy. Four little pumpkins crying, crying. Four little pumpkins crying, crying. Four little pumpkins crying, crying. Four little pumpkins are sad. Five little pumpkins laughing, laughing. Five little pumpkins laughing, laughing. Five little pumpkins laughing, laughing. Five little pumpkins are playing.
These are the parts of a plant:
flower, fruit, leaf, stem, roots, branch,
match the picture with their names. Read and trace. Hug. Jug. Mug. Rug. Bug. Dug. Lug. Tug.
"23. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Trace and write the number name.
Amazing animals, oral. Domestic animals. Cow. Sheep.
Horse. Dog.
Buffalo.
Camel.
Wild animals.
Monkey.
Lion. Tiger.
Elephant.
Giraffe. Identify and write the first letter of their names.